19th one, write a Python program that lists all the default and custom properties of the class. Okay, so if you want to list all the default and custom properties, so just we have to write this program. Just check here, all the properties of a class can be accessed through its object by using Python directory function. Using directory function or class object, we can list all the methods and attributes of the object class. Okay, by using this directory function, we can list all the methods and attributes of the object or class. So check this example here. So we have taken some example class teacher here. Instance we have constructor, instance variables we have created here. We have defined instance variables here, and object creates as an object here. We have create object of this teacher class and passing this to location of that 6 as an argument to this constructor. So printing. Okay, so using directory function, we can access default list properties and attributes of the method. Okay, see, class, these are default, these all directory, these all we can list all the methods and attributes object of the class. Okay, so all the properties of a class can be accessed through its object. By using Python dict function or class object, we can access all this list. Okay, or all the methods and attributes of object here. There we were using this dict here. Okay, underscore dict here to list in dictionary format. Okay, key value base, document format, g, get attribute, get state, gt hash. These are the teacher class objects, are all properties. Okay, all properties of this object class here. Okay, you have to use directory function and pass this teacher object as an argument.